According to researchers and practitioners, there are a variety of leadership styles that individuals may use. These styles can be broadly classified into transformational, transactional, and laissez-faire leadership styles. Let's discuss these and few other notable ones. Transformational leadership. This style involves leaders who inspire and motivate their followers to not only achieve specific goals, but also to think creatively and challenge the status quo. Transformational leaders focus on the development and growth of their followers and create a positive and inspiring work environment. They're able to inspire their followers to go above and beyond and to perform at their best. Transactional leadership. This style involves leaders who focus on establishing clear expectations and goals, and who reward or punish their followers based on their performance. Transactional leaders focus on the exchange of rewards and punishments in order to motivate their followers. They are more concerned with the maintaining stability and ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. The laissez-faire leadership. This style involves leaders who take a hands-off approach and allow their followers to work independently and make their own decisions. Laissez-faire leaders provide resources and support but do not closely supervise or micromanage their followers. This style is best suited for highly skilled and self-motivated teams. Servant leader. This style involves leaders who prioritize the needs and development of their followers. Servant leaders focus on serving and supporting their team and creating a positive and collaborative work environment. One key aspect of servant leadership is the focus on empowering and developing team members. Servant leaders encourage their followers to take ownership of their work and to develop their skills and capabilities. They provide support and resources to help team members achieve their goals, and they are committed to helping their team members grow and succeed. Another key aspect of servant leadership is the focus on collaboration and teamwork. Servant leaders encourage open communication and collaboration among team members, and they work to create a positive and inclusive work environment. The charismatic leadership. This style involves leaders who are able to inspire and motivate others through their personal charm and charisma. Charismatic leaders are often seen as visionaries and inspiring, and they are able to capture the attention and commitment of their followers. One key aspect of charismatic leadership is the ability to communicate effectively and inspire others. Charismatic leaders are often skilled at public speaking and communicating their ideas and vision in a compelling and inspiring way. They are able to engage and motivate their followers through their words and actions, and they are able to inspire others to believe in and work towards a shared vision. Another key aspect of charismatic leadership is the ability to create a sense of connection and community. Charismatic leaders are often able to create a sense of belonging and connection among their followers, and they are able to foster a sense of shared purpose and mission. Interactional leadership. This style of leadership involves leaders who are able to effectively interact and communicate with their team members and stakeholders. Interactional leaders are skilled at building relationships and engaging with others in a collaborative and respectful way. One key aspect of interactional leadership is the ability to listen and communicate effectively. Interactional leaders are able to understand the perspectives and concerns of their team members and stakeholders, and they are able to communicate their own ideas and vision in a clear and concise way. They're able to create a positive and inclusive work environment by fostering open and honest communication and by encouraging the participation and engagement of team members. See you on the next lecture.